Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to easily activate dark mode on Google Chrome. If you want to activate Google Chrome on your laptop, please follow the steps in this video. The first step, please open the Google Chrome that you want to activate. I will give an example using Google Chrome. Follow the small arrow on my laptop screen. Okay guys, that's how to activate dark mode on Google Chrome. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.